Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. So it has been long, I didn't upload any videos. So today I'll try to make banana chips along with my cousins, and I think we'll be doing mukbang on it. So, and yeah, here is my sister from another mother again. So sister, you say something to my viewers.
Please subscribe to my sister channel. Like, comment and share.
Okay. So guys, let's begin the video. So here is the banana from which we'll be making chips, and this is the best banana to make chips. So let's get started.
So I'll take one banana from here, and you have to peel this off. I'm just trying it for the first time. Don't judge me, guys.
You just gotta peel this off first. And there my cousin sister is slicing the bananas. You can see how perfectly she is doing it, how expert she is. She may be feeling like master chef right now. Now we are finally done with peeling, slicing and etc. So it's time to fry the bananas and enjoy the taste of banana chips. Let's go guys. So guys, we are finally done with banana chips. So now we'll be doing mukbang on it. So we'll enjoy eating and you guys enjoy by watching. So let's get started. We'll start our mukbang. So let's start. Enjoy watching us. So we'll enjoy these banana chips.
See.
How is it?
So tasty, very tasty. देखो guys,
ये है banana chips और हम लोग enjoy कर रहे हैं banana chips के साथ.
बहुत tasty है guys.
First time try किया पर it turned out to be great, delicious, isn't it? ना?
Yes.
आप लोगों को कैसा लगा?
Mine was fantastic.
Fantastic, just like
Very,
Fanta.
very tasty. I'm loving it.
So अच्छा चलो मैं भी अभी खाती हूँ. हिंदी भी मिक्स हो गया.
Slowly kisses.
Hey. Temen lokal. Follow girl.
हो गया बस हम तो.
Labiang. Để thật là thật luôn.
Tu ta la tu la. फुल हो गए भी ऐसे हम खाए. This is our मेहनत का फल ना. और मेहनत का फल.
Meeting here आराम से eating.
Yeah.
So guys,
हो गया हम लोग तो बस अभी
we
तो.
are done.
Yes.
And
So full.
we are so full because we were already
Already
we are
done.
full because we were already full. So yeah, we can't eat much. So that's all for today.
Wait a minute.
If you like our video, then please do subscribe to the channel.
Comment, subscribe.
Yeah. And
Bye bye.
bye. See you in
Bye
next
bye
video, guys.
guys.
Bye bye.
See you in next video. Bye.
Bye.